How to change Amazon Visa card PIN or account details. Hey guys, if you would like to do so, you can follow the steps that we will be showing. So what you can do is you can log into your Amazon account and navigate to the Amazon Pay section. For that, you can use the Amazon shopping application or any other application within Amazon and open it up on your screen. Now that it opens up on your screen, now what you can do is you can head over the Pay section. For that, you can look out for account option. You can look out for this three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner, or you can look out for the account option directly. Let's head over to one of the options, and you can look out for this account, tap on it, and it opens up settings within your application. Now from here, you may just scroll down and head over to the payment section. And here you can look out for your payments, tap on it, and when you tap on it, there you will be finding your all of the payments available here. So what you need to do is from here you need to find the card, locate up the card from which you wish to modify within your Amazon Pay account settings. And then there you may look for an option to reset or change the pin. It might be labeled as reset pin or change pin in that option. And you will be likely needing to enter your current pin and then the new pin you would like to use, possibly twice to confirm. And you may also need to confirm with your registered mobile number. And once you've completed the process, confirm the changes and your new pin will be active. And that is it. So therefore, you may follow up this method in order to do so. Or you can just head over and directly contact the IVRS, which is Interactive Voice Response System for Amazon. You can call the toll free number available in the website and go to the preferred language, service related queries, credit card number, and a reset pin or something like that. And you may follow up this method, and you should be able to change your Amazon Visa card pins or account details that way. So that is it for today's video. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.